Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 43.
Fun Math number 43. Today, for Fun Math, we're going to do a little review. We're going to find the largest power of 5 that divides into 200 factorial. And I'll probably do it with a different color marker. Okay, so first of all, what does 200 factorial mean? Step a little.
It means 200 times 199 times 198 times all the way down to times 2 times 1.
Okay. So this is going to be a pretty big number.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's going to be a lot bigger than 20.
Yeah, 200 is already bigger.
Yeah. So we can't really multiply it out and then figure out how many 5s are in there. So what are we going to do to figure out what the largest power of 5 here is?
Well, there are some 5s in there.
Right, there are some 5s. How do we get 5s?
You get from like 10s and numbers that end in a 5.
Okay, so every multiple of 5 gives us a 5, right?
Yeah.
So how many multiples of 5? How many multiples of 5 are we going to have when we multiply all these numbers together from 1 to 200?
200 is a multiple of 5.
Yeah, 200 is a multiple of 5.
It's every 5th number, so we have to divide all these 200 numbers by 5 to figure out how many there are.
How many? So how many multiples of 5s are there?
200 over 5 is 200 over. It's 40. 40.
Is that all the 5s? Is that every single?
We can do multiples of 25.
Ah, multiples of 25.
There'd be 8 of those.
Okay, so hold on a second. Every time we have a multiple of 25, how many 5s do we get?
One more, another 5.
We get 2 multiples of 5 for every multiple of 25, right? But we already counted 1.
Yeah, so
right?
Pick up one more 5.
So how many multiples of 25 do we have up to 200?
We've got 8 of them.
8 of them. Okay, so is that it? Is that we have 48 5s?
No, but we can also do 125. There's only one.
There's one of those. Now, how many 5s do we get for every 125?
3, but we already counted 2.
We already counted one of them because it was a multiple of 5, one of them because it was a multiple of 25, so the 125 gave us one extra one, right?
Yep.
Okay, so how many total multiples of 5 do we have in 200 factorial?
We've got 49.
49. So we know that 5 to the 49 goes into 200 factorial.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, and how would I do it if I was looking for what's the largest power of 7, say? What would I do? What would be the procedure? Let's not calculate it, but let's just go through the procedure.
It would be, you do the multiples of 7.
Okay, and there would be, I would just have to divide 200 by 7 and then round down, right?
Yeah.
Right, so that would be, I think that would be 28. Because isn't 7 times 14, 98?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, so that means 7 times 28 would be 196, okay? So I would get 28 multiples of 7, is that all of them?
Nope, we do multiples of 49.
We would do multiples of 49 and we would pick up how many more?
We'd pick one more 5 for each of them.
One more 7 for each of them. How many multiples of 49 are there that are less than 200?
Probably 4.
4, right?
And then 343 doesn't count.
Right, and then 343 doesn't count. So I could do this for any number. If I asked you the powers, well sorry, I could do it for any prime.
Yeah.
Okay, I could do it for any prime. If the number's not prime, it's a little more complicated. But not that much more complicated, but a little more complicated. But that's fine. So the powers of 5 that go into 200 factorial, 5 to the 49th. Do we know what 5 to the 49th is?
No.
No, it's a huge number, right? The 200 factorial is already a huge number.
Yeah.
So, alright, good job. You're going to have a homework problem kind of like this. So that's why we did this movie.